so if you click on this video, most likely you either have been debating on buying this product, or you're just looking for products to help with your self-care routine, or you know, some type of body scrub, one of those things. So we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna share with you guys this scrub. Oh my gosh. Okay, before we do that, thanks for clicking on this video. If you are a returning subscriber or a returning viewer, thanks so much for sticking with me. I love y'all so much. If you are new, my name is Nicole, and my channel is all about just inspiring you to live a more beautiful life. I think it's so important. We have enough stress in the world. The world is hard enough, and I just want to inspire you to live more beautifully. So if you like that type of content, if you feel like, yes, like this could be my motivational friend, this could be my homegirl that keeps me on my, you know, my toes and just inspires me to do better and be better, that is me. Click on the subscribe button so that you're subscribed to my channel. Click on the notification bell so YouTube can tell you whenever I post a new video, and let's just live a beautiful life together. All right, let's get into this. So I've done like a lot of world's best videos, and those are pretty much me sharing with y'all products that I've tried, what I think about it. You know, is it the world's, like, especially if it's a great product, I will kind of let y'all know if I think it's the world's best or what I like about it, what I think is so great about it. So for those of y'all who don't know, I have a now 12-year-old daughter. She was in some of my older videos as like a little tink. Now she's older, and so Ulta is one of her favorite stores. So I go in there with her, and I picked this up, okay? So this is the Tree Hut Dragon Fruit Shea Sugar Scrub. And so she got some Ulta gift cards for her birthday. So we went to Ulta, and she's a TikTok girly, so she wanted like the body scrub, she wanted the Rio de Janeiro, all the beauty hygiene things. And she picked up one of these, but it was a different scent. Can't remember what it was. But y'all, I am so in love with this. We're gonna just get right into it. I love it so much. What do I love about it? So the smell, oh my gosh. If you are one of those girls who just like, I just wanna smell good, like for myself, for others too, your man, you know, just the world, whatever you want to call it. I love to smell good. I did a perfume review, and people seem to like that on my favorite perfume. Like literally, to me, that is the world's best perfume. Like I'm starting to try more and like branch out a little bit, but that's my favorite perfume. I'll link that, if I can remember, in this video description so y'all can check that out. But if you want to smell good, if you want your skin to be super baby skin soft, I'm not even exaggerating. And for me, I'm gonna keep it a buck. Like, I have a bad habit of walking around the house barefoot. It's such a bad habit. It's such a bad habit. I remember as a kid going outside a lot barefoot, like jump rope, whatever. I don't know why that's such a bad habit for me, but it keep your feet rough, right? I'm working on it. I have plenty of slippers, plenty of house socks, but it's just convenient to walk around barefoot on my hardwood floor. This right here will really soften out any part of your body, but my feet are so rough, y'all, and it's not even attractive. But when I have my little self-care days and I put this on while I'm in the shower and I rinse it off, you can't tell me my feet aren't like baby feet, like brand newborn feet. So I think the top two reasons I love this so much is the smell, and then how soft it makes your skin, like leaves your skin feeling. And not only does it smell good like out the tube, I just want to smell it. So not only does it smell good out the tube, so when you're putting it on, you smell it, the aroma is so strong. Not strong in a bad way, but it's so strong like it sticks around. So let me know in the comment section if you've used Tree Hut. This is, again, it's the dragon fruit one. This is the only one I've tried. My daughter has one that's like a lighter pink. I want to say it's like a pink lemonade. I can't remember the name. This was not cheap though. I feel like it was like $32 from Ulta. And if you know me, or if you've seen my videos in the past, I'm very much a Marshall's TJ Maxx girly, where I don't pay a whole lot for my self-care products normally. But I'm like, you know, I do go on Ulta sometimes and I splurge, and I'm like getting all the makeup products and self-care products, and when I check out, I'm like, this is how much I spent. I could have went in Marshall's and spent half this for similar products. Nonetheless, I love it so much. So smells really good. The smell stays around. It leaves you your skin feeling super, super soft. And I also like that, it was one more thing I was gonna say about this. I don't know, what else do I like about it? I don't think there's any cons. I'm trying to think of any cons, and I do have the 2 other scrubs in my, the third one is more so, I'm a big self-care girl, so I'm like, I like to relax. I like to at least twice a week, so twice during the work week, I like to just have a self-care night. Most of the times it's 3 nights. So I'll do my baths for my self-care night, so I'll take a shower on the other nights. So my baths, and I've talked about this before in previous videos, because like I said in the beginning of the video, life is hard enough, and I really want to inspire y'all to live a beautiful life. I know it's mostly women that watch my channel because like I'm a woman, so I'm going to share from my perspective, but there's also men who watch my channel too, and I think self-care is important for all of us because this world is crazy, life is crazy, so it's important for us to just be able to relax. Like I'm heavy on relax, heavy on self-care, heavy on balance. And that's the third reason that I was trying to think of that I couldn't. But why I like this so much is because it really puts me in a relaxed state of mind. I think it's a combination of the smell, the feel, like the texture. The scrub is not, so this is a sugar scrub, shea sugar scrub is what it's called. It's like not too fine of a scrub, and I have had a bunch of scrubs because I always incorporate a scrub into my self-care routine, like every other day. So it's not like too fine of a sugar scrub where it's like you don't really feel the grit, but it's also not like too rough of a scrub, like on a salt-based scrub where it's like so harsh on your skin and it like kind of hurts a little bit. It's like the perfect texture, feels so good putting on, so it smells so good. And it just like the scent, I think a combination of the scent and the texture, how it rubs on, it just puts you in a relaxing state of mind. So I think it's important, if you're watching this video, as like a tip to live a more beautiful life, is to incorporate self-care nights. We do not have to go to the spa. We do not have to spend hundreds of dollars. Like inflation is real for all of us, no matter what tax bracket you're in, no matter what your salary is. Inflation is real. Like things are expensive, and thank God, like I do well as a single mom and I can afford to pay my bills and have a little bit of luxury. But I don't think you need to go to the spa to give that to yourself. I think one of the things that has brought me balance in life and to help me just relax and to not be so overwhelmed with life is to incorporate my self-care nights. Like it's a big deal. So get yourself a little self-care starter kit. Like I have scrubs, I have like my Dr. Teal's bath soaks, I have my face mask, I have candles. You know, I like me a little bubble bath sometimes. So sometimes I do bubbles, sometimes I don't. Like whatever it is that's going to give you a relaxing spa feel, give yourself that time. Like give yourself that time to just relax and chill, and like it'll really rejuvenate you for like the next day. Like if you had a hard day, it's okay, it's all right. I'm like in the mindset of like, it's okay, like we can bounce back. We can bounce back from a struggle day, from a struggle week. We can bounce back, and I just think self-care is so important. So this here, let me know if y'all have heard of this, because prior to me going to Ulta and picking this up, like I hadn't heard of it. I hadn't been like, while I'm in here, let me get some of this Tree Hut body scrub. I wasn't like that, but hopefully I'm putting somebody onto game, because even though it's like $30, which is pretty expensive to me, this is 18 ounces, so it's a decent size. You don't need a whole lot, but I think investing in our self-care is just so important. Let me know if you like agree with that in the comment section. Yeah, just live a more beautiful life. And I hope y'all, like, I do think this is, I can never really say if something is the world's best unless I really tried a bunch of versions or a bunch of comparable products. But this is definitely top 3 of the body scrubs that I've tried so far. I have another one in my bathroom right now. I think it's a salt-based one I got from Marshall's. I don't remember the brand. I might have, no, I didn't do a review on it. But anyway, I have not touched that thing. The other body scrub, I have not touched that since I got this. This is all I've been using, and I think once it's gone, I will definitely go back and get a different scent. I'll see if I can find this on Amazon too. Maybe it's cheaper on there, and I'll link it if I can. But y'all, this smells so good, feels so good, leaves your skin feeling so soft, and it helps you relax after a long, hard day, a long, hard week. And I just really wanted to share this and give a review on it. And this is not sponsored. I bought, like I said, I bought it by myself with my own money. Cause like literally, I invest in my health and wellness, whether it's my skincare, my hair care, my fitness, my body care, self-care, self-improvement. Like I'm going to invest in myself so I can live a more beautiful life. And I want that for y'all too. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see y'all in my next video.